Hello everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. Today I am going to be making a Christmas tree pizza pie. I'm using my vintage Christmas tree pan that I picked up years ago in a thrift store. So the first thing I'm going to do is spread out my dough. If you want to know how to make the dough, I will be posting a link below. Now on my pan I put cornmeal. When I make my pizza, I always like to put a little cornmeal at the bottom of my pizza pans. Now I have to spread this out. This dough is sticky, but put a little flour and it just takes some time to spread it out. You just have to work it a while. The pizza dough is finally all stretched into the pan. It took a while for me to do it. So now I'm ready to do the next step. Instead of pizza sauce, because this is going to be a pizza tree, I'm using pesto. And I'm just going to spread it on. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm using yellow peppers and orange peppers that I sliced. And I made a star with a cookie cutter, and that's going to be for the top. We're going to put a star right at the top. And then I am going to use the peppers, and I'm going to put them down as like garland. This is going to be garland on the tree. And I just cut these in strips. It doesn't have to be that perfect. Now I'll put an orange strip on the bottom over here. And now I'm going to add, I have cherry tomatoes that I cut in half, and now I'm going to be putting the cherry tomatoes, which going to represent like ornaments on the tree. And then I'm putting these mozzarella balls, these small mozzarella balls that I cut in half, and I'm also adding them to the tree. So this is fun to decorate this pizza. this pizza pie tree. Here, you could add wherever you want. You want to add extra, you can, but I think this looks good. And now this is my Christmas tree pizza pie. And now I'll be putting it in a 425-degree oven, and maybe for about 15 minutes until it's all been baked. This is a very festive pizza pie for the holidays. I just took the Christmas tree pizza pie out of the oven, and I had it baking on this cookie sheet for 15 minutes, and it looks done to me. This Christmas tree form has an insert at the bottom of this, and then whatever you bake, all you do at the end is you just lift it out. So that's what I love about this pan. So I just lifted the pizza out and put it on the board. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. It looks pretty. Green. Look at the thickness. It's like a Sicilian type pie. Delicious, Ma. The dough is nice and soft. The peppers are done. The cheese is nice.
Of course, we love mozzarella cheese.
The pesto gives it a nice flavor. This is a very nice holiday pizza to serve.